If you haven't already heard, basketball superstar and two-time Olympic gold medal winner Brittney Griner is under detention in Russia, of all places. Not only is she facing serious jail time, but according to the US State Department, she's being denied access to the US consulate. In today's video, I'll describe what rights a US citizen has when they're arrested in a foreign country. I'm attorney Sina REZVANPOUR. I went to law school so that you wouldn't have to. I break down the latest news in the legal world, so make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. In February of 2022, Brittney Griner was traveling through a Moscow airport when Russian officials searched her luggage and allegedly found vape cartridges that had hash oil, which apparently is a pretty big deal in Russia, and it can carry up to a 10-year sentence. That can sound pretty bad, but it actually gets quite a bit worse. According to experts in Russian law, it's pretty common for these types of extensions to happen for up to 12 to 18 months before someone gets to go to trial. Griner's attorneys are claiming that she's being held illegally. They're saying that it took too long for Russian officials to give her access to her lawyer, to give her access to the US consulate, and too long for them to bring charges in the first place. According to experts in Russian law, all of these types of claims are pretty common and they have little to no chance of ever being successful. Interestingly enough, what Griner's attorney is not claiming is that she's innocent. They haven't commented on whether or not those were her cartridges, whether they had hash oil or not. So it could be part of a strategy to just stay quiet about it. But if you ask me, if I were her attorney, that would be the very first thing I would say is not only is she not guilty, not only are those not her cartridges or those cartridges did not have an illegal substance, but they're also illegally detaining her, that they should have gave her access to these people in time. So it's a little bit suspect on why they haven't said anything quite yet. Her attorney also asked the court that if during this time where they're investigating and there's going to be this long extension, if she could be instead held on house arrest, whether she could go to her own home or to a Russian national's home. And the court basically said, we don't care. We don't care. She's nothing special to us. She's gonna stay in that cell until it's time for her trial. Let me know in the comment section if you think that's fair. Are they treating her unfairly because there's this beef between the US and Russia right now, and we kind of have this Cold War with sanctions? Or is that how she should have been treated, or would it have been treated if the US and Russia were on better terms? So if you have the unfortunate situation where you're arrested on foreign soil, these are a few of the rights that you do have. Under the Vienna Convention, someone like Brittney Griner or any US citizen has the right that if they're arrested on foreign soil, like Russia, that the Russian government must notify Brittney Griner, the detainee, that she has the right to have the US consulate notified. Brittney Griner also has the right to have access to US consulate officials. But according to the US State Department and Brittney Griner herself, they're claiming that the Russian government has not given her this right. It's hard to say what to expect next in this case. Is Brittney going to become a bargaining chip in this Cold War, or will US and Russian officials be able to strike a backroom deal? Let me know in the comment section what you think. My name is Sina REZVANPOUR, and this is not legal advice.